Hello everyone. So in this video, we will be again looking into a program where we perform method overloading concept. In previous video, we saw that we took two methods of name calculate area and we calculated area for square and rectangle depending upon the number of parameters that we have in the parameter. So in this video, again we will be looking into one another method overloading program where we have two methods convert of same name where we have method convert with two different parameters. One is int and another is character. First one where the parameter is int, we have to calculate and return the square of a. So whatever number that is present in this parameter list which is stored by variable a, that number we have to square it and then we have to return the value. And next we have another method which has parameter of character type ch. For that we have to convert this character into its ASCII code which is of int type. So if number entered as parameter is 9, then this method should return value of 81. And when we call this method wherein parameter we have passed capital A, then it should return 65 because ASCII value of capital A is 65. So now let's try to develop the logic over here. So in first method where int A is there, we will write int convert and in brackets we have int A. We simply have to return the square of the number. So I will simply write return a square. So this will automatically find the value of square and it will pass the value to the main method. So this was the logic of first method. And second method we have int of convert and here we have character ch. Now we know if we have to find ASCII value of character, then simply we have to do typecasting with int. So instead of writing some statements over here, I will directly write the statement return typecasted value of ch. That is, I will typecast the value of ch into int and then I will return. So this will return the ASCII value of character whatever it is passed in the main method. So this was another method overloading program wherein the number of parameters are same. We have one parameter over here. Similarly, we have one parameter over here. But depending upon which type of value we are passing, it executes that particular method. If value is int, then this will call this convert method and will find the square of the number. And if the parameter is of character type, then it will call this method and it will simply convert the value of that character into its equivalent ASCII code. Now let's see this program in BlueJ. So I have created class with name overload2 and this is the same logic which I explained earlier. Now in main method I have created the object of overload2, created one more variable which is in main method. I will use this to store the value that is returned by the particular method. So while calling one method, I will store its value in that variable n. So when I am passing value of character type, then this statement will call this particular method and execute this, and this will simply return the value of this character p. Whatever ASCII value of p is there, it will be stored in n, and then I will print the value. Similarly, when I am passing the value as integer type, then it will call this above method, go inside, it will calculate the square and then return the value which will then get stored in n, and then I will print the value. Now let's see the output of this. And as we can see that ASCII value of capital P, which is 80, is returned, and the square of 12, that is 144, is returned over here. Now if I change the value of capital P to small a, then the output that we will be getting should be 97, because 97 ASCII value holds character a, small a. So let's see the output. So you can see that 97 we have got. Similarly, if we change the value of this number, let's say 16, then 256 should be the output of second statement, and 256 is the answer. So this was method overloading by the type of parameter that we are passing. So if you have any questions related to this program, then you can ask your questions in comment box. And if you have any other question that you are not able to solve and want me to solve, then you can send your questions on my mail ID. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.